how to recover my WhatsApp account without the phone number or email address. So in order to fix this issue, what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for WhatsApp customer support. Now what you want to do is head over to the very first site, Contact WhatsApp. It will land you on this official page of WhatsApp customer support. In this page, what you want to do is, first of all, enter the possible phone number or enter the new phone number if you have it. And then enter the possible email address. Re-enter the email address. Select your specific device. And then in this description box, you have to state the problem that you have been facing on WhatsApp. Well, if you don't know what to write, then you can simply copy and paste the things that I have just written. Once you have entered all of those things, you also have to enter your account details. Enter the possible phone number and the email address that you have got. If not, enter the new one. Once done, tap on Next Step at the bottom. After that, follow the on-screen process and then you'll be good to go. Once the report has been submitted, now within 24 hours, they will analyze your account and will definitely help you out. And then your account will be recovered successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can recover your WhatsApp account without phone number or email address. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.